DeeDee! Thank you guys. So today we're going to be doing another episode of Arts and Crafts. And we have an amazing Uncle Ella, and it's going to be guiding us as we make our slippers, our cardboard slippers.
Hello, Lucas. Hello, Eri.
Hello,
DeeDee. Thank you for having me in the studio today.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We're going to be heading straight into the business. And what we're making today, just as Lucas has said earlier, we're making a pair of slippers for ourselves. What we'll be needing to make this possible are our cartons,
Our cartons,
a stapler,
a stapler,
our pencil,
our pencil,
a ruler,
a ruler,
and we have scissors and a razor blade.
scissors, and a razor blade.
So for children at home, ensure you have an adult or your guardian or parent around you when you're making this for safety purpose. Thank you. The first step is to get yourself a pair of slippers
Or sandals.
or sandals or shoes. The second step is to get the biggest cardboard or carton you have. Gently place the slippers or sandals or shoe on the carton. Drop your pencil. Your pencil goes to the base of the slippers and you gently round the slippers, round the sandals, or whichever footwear you're making use of. And this is what I have here. Result of my tracing. Won't you give me a round of applause? Ensure your slippers is at the center of the carton. Ensure that your slippers, your sandals, is at the center of the carton.
Yes.
Then you trace gently. Let's go straight to delight. So for comfort purpose, we put this aside. Good, that's good. So this is what delight and that is what delight has traced out. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Up next is Eri. You place your hand on your footwear, make sure it's firm, then you trace. This is Eri's trace out. Let's give her a round of applause. Lucas, your turn, please. So we're going to move to the next session, which is trimming out what you've traced so far. And to make it easy for you, you pick up your ruler and your pencil and trace out a square around what you've traced. All right, so let's drop our footwear, our sandals and slippers. And that is what Lucas has traced out. Please, let's give him a round of applause.
Hold on. Just
Okay,
a
okay.
moment. Just go to the kitchen. Don't come back until I ask you to come. Yeah.
And that is what Lucas has traced out. Let's give him a round of applause, please. So we'll move.
Mommy, wait. Please pause it.
So with this, we move straight to cutting. So now you can see instead of finding it difficult to cut out this large parts, what you just do straight is to cut out these straight lines first. The straight lines which you have my cutout. If you are clapping for me, please clap louder. Thank you. Up next is daylight. And don't forget what I said. You need to draw before you cut. Please. So this is what the light has been able to do. Don't forget the instructions. Draw straight lines around the trace out to make it easy for you to cut out. This is Erie's guideline. She has been able to draw straight lines around what she has traced. Beautiful. And this is Luca's guideline. This is wonderful. So let's move straight into trimming this out. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is what we've been able to trim out so far. Now, moving to the next step, you're going to repeat this step on the other carton or cardboard. Watch as we do that. Now that we've been able to cut out the sole of the footwear, of the slippers, what we'll be doing next is get the top. That's this part. So I have with me here my carton. I'm going to fold. I need it to be 5 centimeters. I need it to be 5 centimeters. So I pick up my ruler and measure. Good. And I check here too. Great. Then I fold it and let me put it here so you can see what I'm doing properly. And I fold it here. Okay. So this will be the base of my palm. This will be the base of my palm slippers. So daylight, I need you to repeat what I've just done over there. 5 centimeters. Pencil. Yeah. And yeah. So you fold. Hold on. Just to make sure. So we'll use the line as I'm following the line. Hold on the light, just hold on. Following the line. And this is the rough part. You close it. This. See. Then this place, you fold it just a bit where the other marking starts from. That's here. And fold it back. Just a bit, just a bit. Beautiful. Now you pick up your stapler, because the reason I'm using stapler for daylight carton is because this carton is much thicker than this. So in order for it not to give us stress, we need to staple it. Last one. Beautiful.
Thank you.
So we have the top for the lights palm as well. So, Eri, it's your turn. So you'll not be using this style for your palm. You're going to be using this for yours. Feel like I need you to grab this and watch how we do this. Our style is going to be different from yours. You need to watch how she's going to do ours. So because you're going to be having two tops, so we're going to be measuring 4 centimeters, and yeah, okay, and down here we'll be doing 3 centimeters. Over here, 4 centimeters, gently, and down here 3 centimeters.
So we're going
So
cut
pick,
it.
now I want to create the top of your slippers. Remember the measurement: 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Good. So this is your ruler. Lucas and Eri, I need you to follow me gently. I need you to do what?
Follow me gently.
Good. So now I want to get the base for your slippers. And don't forget, we have 4 centimeters here and 3 centimeters there. We'll be having the same thing. So this is what we'll be using as the top of your slippers. You pick your ruler and your pencil. Place your ruler at the top, at the beginning of the carton. Don't forget, we need an allowance like this. So this is 1 centimeter, and we're going to be creating something here. So this is what I want you to do. If you check it, if you look at your ruler properly, you're going to see 0 centimeter and you're going to see 1 centimeter. I want you to draw a straight line from 0 centimeter to 1 centimeter. Once you've drawn the line from 0 to 1 centimeter, I want you to put an hyphen, that's a minus there. So now I want to draw out 4 centimeters, but don't forget that I said earlier that we are going to be needing 1 more centimeter for allowance, right?
Yeah.
So now we are drawing. Yeah, first draw 1 to 4. Okay, draw to 4. When you get to 4,
Yes.
do a minus sign like this. Look at what I'm doing. Like this. Place your ruler at the center. Yes, remove the ruler and place it at the center of the carton. Then repeat the same step.
Okay, 4 then.
Draw to 4.
1 to 4.
Add the minus sign, the hyphen, then pull to 5.
Okay, done.
One last one. Bring it to this minus and pull to 5. So I want you to place your ruler at one end of the carton.
One end.
Yes. Make sure it's touching the lines you've drawn earlier.
That was awesome.
It can be on any side now. Join the first, the second, and the last.
So you do it from the top.
Yes, please. First. Beautiful. Next step is to fold. Yes. Now you pick up the sole of your palm and So this part is very delicate. So for children at home, you need to get adults, your parents or your guardian to do this part for you. Done cutting the top of our slippers. So we have two for Lucas. We have two for Lucas. That's the 4 centimeter and the 3 centimeters. Then also for Eri, we have the 4 centimeters, the 3 centimeters, and we have the 5 centimeters for DeeDee. So the next step is to insert this, that's the top, into this line that we've cut into the sew. Beautiful. Once you've inserted the top of the palm into the sew and you've confirmed that it's your size, then you can fold it. For those at home, if you have gum, you can make use of gum, but we're going to be making use of stapler over here.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I think that's
Once you successfully stapled the top to the base, the next step is to fit the other sew, which is the base of the sew, to the other part of it. So watch me as I do this. You pick up your stapler, place it here, and like I said, for those at home, you can make use of gum. Beautiful. And this is the outcome of our slippers. Viewers at home, isn't this beautiful? Feel free to try this at home. Don't forget, all you need is a carton or cardboard, your scissors, your razor blade, and ensure you have an adult with you for safety. Also, you need your ruler, pencils, and a glue. Thank you for joining us on this edition. See you. Thank you for joining us on this edition, and see you